Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge. I got a video here pertaining to Gerber. So you see, I got more Gerbers, but I got a lot of Gerber knives. These are just some I have, and you can see those. All these are pretty cool. But anyways, so probably a couple months ago, I purchased this dual. It's called Dual Force. It's a multi-tool. Thought it'd be nice to have. So it runs about $100. Picked it up at a local hardware store. I was using it for about a week, and it's really cool. It's like kind of like a slip joint, so you could get a little more extra force. Has some various has like the center drive, like from their center drive MP 600 stuff. That's center drive, so you could take the bits out. Plus, it's in the center, so you could work it like a real screwdriver. So it's kind of nice. It's very basic. It's more kind of, I'd say, like a maintenance tool, not really for, I don't know, outdoorsing, but it could be outdoorsing because here's a saw. It's basically 4 tools: a knife, nice long knife. I believe it's 3.5 inches long. And then I already showed you the bit, and then a file. And that is basically it. And then of course the channel lock type slip joint pliers with 2 different sections. But the reason I'm making this video, I know there's a lot more people that made other videos showing this tool probably about a week after I bought it. I'm going to show you something real quick. If you look in here, see right in there, that little piece of metal that's pop riveted in there, well, that broke. So this arm right here is real loose. And you can see there's no spring tension. And if you look on this side, there's the whole piece of metal's there. So it has like a little, that spring rides on that like a kind of, just, it causes resistance, which makes it so it don't fling open on you. So you'd like flick it like that. But so anyways, so the spring it broke. I call it a spring, but it's basically a metal piece of metal pop riveted to the frame of the pliers. And I was really disappointed because I really liked using them. They were really cool. They're really comfortable. They're big. They come with a, they have the holster came like with a scout carry, so you can go sideways, so it's not sticking way down on your hip. So it was really nice, but it kind of broke, and I was like, well, what should I do? I mean, so I got online, and I was thinking, well, it's $100. I mean, it still works, but it's just disappointing. So I was kind of disappointed. Then I popped on, went to Gerber's webpage, and I looked up warranty, and sure enough, they say they have a lifetime warranty. They might say limited lifetime, I'm not sure, but I filled out their warranty form, emailed them. I think I took some pictures of it, show them my receipt that I just bought it like less than a month ago, and pictures, like I don't know where the part, that piece that broke, I took a picture of that so they could see what actually broke. And I didn't get a response for like a day, or maybe it was like almost like maybe the next day or a few hours. They said that they were really behind, that they received my warranty request and they would be in contact, or they will process it. Probably it's going to take about 4 weeks. I was like, well, I guess I didn't really expect to hear nothing from them. So about, I don't know, it might have been 2 weeks after that, maybe a little long, maybe two to 3 weeks before the 4th week. I got an email saying that they reviewed my warranty claim and that they'd be sending me a new tool, the replacement. And I was like, oh, okay, that's more than I expected. I wasn't really knowing what to expect, because the tool is not, this is not made in America. They're Chinese. It's made in China. So I didn't know if they had different speculation or specifications, but I just figured I'd try it and see what they said. And about 2 days after that, they sent me a email saying that my tool is on its way, replacement tool is on its way. And sure enough, they sent a tractor, and it came in a box. I haven't even opened it. I mean, opened up to see if it was really there, but it came in the dual force multi-tool. Well, it came packaged in the box and brand new. So you see it right there. I didn't even take it out. It's strapped in still. But I was like really impressed. The same everything. Actually, ironically, the one I bought came in a clamshell, so I still got that. But it's the tool itself. So you got to give props to Gerber. I mean, I was kind of disappointed because I have a lot of Gerber. I probably have, I don't know, let's just say 10 plus Gerber products. So got to give them that, man. I paid about $100 for it, and like I said, I was disappointed at the time. So well done, Gerber. So I appreciate the replacement. And I hope if Gerber ends up listening to this, I appreciate it. Thank you. And no one paid me to say that. So, all right, I'm out. See you later. Like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Bye.